Hi parents and students. As you know, we are starting online learning. So I will show you how to get in your online classroom. First of all, you need to be search your school board. If you go to Grandrie, search grandrie.ca and you scroll down to the bottom. You will see sources and the bottom is virtual learning environment. Click on it. It will take you the new window and it will ask your username and password that your teacher will provide it, or maybe you already have. Not the only username, you need to be at grandrie.ca and then sign in. Welcome to your online classroom. Welcome to your online classroom. So you can see the things are there, and if you on this cursor, it will be go like I put for my classroom, like the quick thing that like they need a book flex to read books, or the brain pop, or whatever you use every day, like more you will use, your teacher will be put that on the top, and you can here, and there's a calendar, you can tell you when the next events are coming or next meeting, and you scroll down, there's all the sources there will, and your all the activity feed that your teacher put there. And I teach, there's a kindergarten classroom, so there's a kindergarten learning activities, but you can find all your activity on your online classroom. Good luck with your online learning. Hope that will help you to log in your account. Take care.